Sometimes in Excel, you may need to use a pivot table to count the unique number of values. Here's a quick tutorial on how to find a unique count aggregator function in your pivot tables. It's the exact same process as creating a pivot table with one small variation. So let's try it. Click on the table that you want to insert a pivot table for. Go to Insert, Pivot Table, from Table Range, or use the shortcut Alt-N-VT. Click from Table Range, and here I'm going to insert it into an existing worksheet, and I'm going to specify my location is here. This is where it's slightly different than creating a normal pivot table. This time, I actually have to check this box, add this data to the data model, which will enable Excel to have a unique count aggregator function. If we click OK, our pivot table is inserted just as normal. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see a little bit more. Here, if we drag country into the values, we see that it gives me a normal count. However, if I wanted to have a distinct count, I can click in here, click on my value field, go to value field settings, and at the very bottom of this, we see a distinct count option pop up. This is not available unless you add the data to the data model, which is why we did that in the first place. We click OK, and now we have a distinct count of 10, meaning that in our source data, there's only 10 distinct countries that are counted inside of the country column.